new Miss Universe is Thailand!
Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Mr. Darkman TV, your ultimate destination for thrilling stories and sizzling updates from around the globe. I'm your host, Zainab Sabir, and today we are diving into the dazzling world of beauty, glamour, and international pageantry. If you're as excited as I am about the 74th edition of Miss Universe, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our electrifying updates. Let's get into it. The wait is finally over. After months of speculation and nail-biting anticipation, the Miss Universe organization has officially announced that the 74th edition of the Miss Universe pageant will be held in Thailand. Yes, you heard that right. The Land of Smiles will once again welcome the world's most stunning women as they compete for the coveted crown. The announcement came on 7th February 2025 with a breathtaking video that left fans buzzing with excitement. Where kindness meets tradition and warm smiles welcome the world, the caption read, perfectly capturing the essence of Thailand's warm hospitality and vibrant culture. This will be the fourth time Thailand has hosted the Miss Universe pageant, making it the Asian country to hold the prestigious event the most number of times. The last time Thailand hosted the competition was in 2018, when the Philippines' very own Catriona Gray was crowned Miss Universe, marking a historic moment for Southeast Asia. This year, the competition promises to be bigger and better than ever, with representatives from over 80 countries expected to participate. The coronation night is set for 21st November 2025, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. But let's rewind a bit. The journey to this announcement has been nothing short of thrilling. Back in November 2024, Raul Rocha Cantu, co-owner of the Miss Universe organization, revealed that the 74th edition could be held in one of 8 shortlisted countries: Argentina, Costa Rica, Dominican Republic, Morocco, India, South Africa, Spain, or Thailand. The suspense kept fans on the edge of their seats, but Thailand ultimately emerged as the chosen destination. And why not? With its rich traditions, stunning landscapes, and world-class hospitality, Thailand is the perfect backdrop for this global spectacle. For those who don't know, Thailand first hosted Miss Universe in 1992, when Namibia's Michelle McLean took home the crown. The country hosted again in 2005, when Canada's Natalie Glebova won the title and later made Thailand her home. The 2018 edition, as we all remember, was a historic moment for the Philippines, with Catriona Gray's iconic win. This year, all eyes will be on Thailand once again as it sets the stage for another unforgettable chapter in Miss Universe history. For the fourth time in history, the Miss Universe pageant is returning to the Land of Smiles. Thailand Thai has officially been announced as the host country for Miss Universe 2025, reaffirming its status as a powerhouse in the world of beauty pageants. With a legacy of hosting world-class events, Thailand has previously welcomed Miss Universe in 1992, 2005, and 2018, each time delivering a spectacular celebration of beauty, culture, and global unity. The nation's passion for pageantry, coupled with its vibrant tourism industry and unwavering support from both government and private sectors, makes it the perfect stage for the highly anticipated 2025 edition. A look back at Thailand's Miss Universe legacy. 1992, the Queen Sirikit National Convention Centre in Bangkok set the stage for Namibia's Namibian Michelle McLean to take the crown. 2005, Bangkok once again hosted the pageant at Impact Arena, where Natalie Glebova of Canadian dazzled her way to victory. 2018, the competition returned to Impact Arena, Bangkok, where Catriona Gray of the Philippines Filipino captured the hearts of millions and won the coveted title. With this being Thailand's fourth time hosting, fans can expect nothing short of an extravagant spectacle. From dazzling stage designs to cultural showcases highlighting Thailand's rich heritage, the event promises to be a breathtaking fusion of tradition and modernity. Beyond the glitz and glamour, Miss Universe 2025 is also set to provide a major boost to Thailand's tourism and economy, drawing thousands of international visitors and widespread media attention. While the official venue is yet to be confirmed, Bangkok, having successfully hosted the pageant in the past, remains the frontrunner. As anticipation builds, pageant enthusiasts around the world eagerly await further details, with one thing certain: Thailand is ready to make Miss Universe 2025 an unforgettable event. The Philippines, a powerhouse in the pageant world, is already gearing up for the competition. Last year, Chelsea Manalo made history as the first ever recipient of the Miss Universe Asia title and wowed the audience with her stunning national costume. Who will represent the Philippines this year? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure: the competition will be fierce and the stakes will be higher than ever. So, what can we expect from Miss Universe 2025? Think jaw-dropping evening gowns, electrifying talent showcases, and of course, the iconic question and answer segment that separates the queens from the crowd. The event will not only celebrate beauty but also empower women to be confident, intelligent, and compassionate leaders. And let's not forget the cultural exchange that happens behind the scenes as contestants from around the world come together to share their stories and traditions. As we count down to 21st November 2025, stay tuned to Mr. Darkman TV for all the latest updates, behind-the-scenes exclusives, and thrilling stories from the world of Miss Universe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more sizzling content. And hey, if you're as excited as I am about this year's pageant, let me know in the comments below. Who do you think will take home the crown? Until next time, stay fabulous, stay curious, and keep shining bright. This is Danab Sabir, signing off from Mr. Darkman TV. See you in the next video.